Guys, for today's video, merong bagong feature akong gustong i-share sa inyo about Maribank. And this is one of the most awaited feature with Maribank. Ano ba to? Well, magugulat kayo kasi meron ng time deposit kay Maribank. So, worth it nga ba ang paghihintay natin ng time deposit feature ni Maribank? Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So, samahan niyo ako. Pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko din ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So just yesterday, na-release na itong bagong feature nga ni Maribank, which is the time deposit. If hindi nyo pa makita yan sa app nyo ngayon, try nyo munang mag-update ng app. Baka outdated yung app na naka-install dyan. But after updating, you should find this time deposit na nandyan na sa inyong dashboard. Okay, so pag-usapan na natin, ano bang meron dito sa time deposit? Well, ito nga yung inihintay natin, but masasabi ko hindi siya ganun ka-attractive versus sa time deposit ni Salmon Bank. Well, si Salmon Bank kasi nasa 8%. So, medyo attractive talaga yun. However, kasi kailangan 1 million ang deposit mo doon. Ito naman, kay Maribank, ang interest lang na kaya niyang i-provide ay 3.75%. Coming from their savings na 3.25%, only additional 0.5% ang madadagdag sa inyong savings. So, anong tenure ang available dito? Well, for now, ang tenure na available lang dito is only 3 months. We're not yet sure kung later on magdadagdag pa sila ng other time deposit tenure. Maybe they're just testing the water right now and titingnan nila yung reception ng mga tao kung marami ang mag-engage ng time deposit. So, silipin natin sa app kung ano ba ang itsura ng time deposit. Okay, so kung makikita nyo, ayan, nandyan nakalagay upfront time deposit. Pag clinic po natin yan, ito, instant earnings time deposit. Earn your interest in full as soon as you start. So, top choice, ito daw, 3.75% per annum sa loob ng 3 months term. Since ilalak natin yung pera natin with Maribank for 3 months, makukuha na natin kagad ang interest. Ang tawag nila dito ay upfront time deposit. Wherein, once you lock in the money for time deposit, makukuha mo na kagad yung whole amount interest ng pera mo. So, katulad nito, sabi dito, how does the upfront interest on time deposit work? With upfront time deposit, you can lock in your savings for a selected tenure, o example of 3 months, and get the interest for your deposit instantly. So, makukuha mo na kagad yung interest. Parang pinauna na ni Maribank yung interest na ma-earn ng pera mo. The upfront interest will be instantly credited to your savings account after a successful upfront time deposit placement. For the time deposit placement with auto rollover, the upfront interest will instantly be credited once the time deposit renews. So, pwede natin i-click to para makita natin deposit now. Ayan, minimum lang ng 100 pesos for you to open a time deposit, and then a maximum of 10 time deposit accounts ang pwede mong i-open. For every account na i-open mo as a time deposit, ang maximum na pwede mong ilagay for your time deposit account is only 1 million pesos. So let's say 90,000 tong ilalagay natin, mag-earn yung 90,000 ko ng 680 pesos 0.54 sa loob ng 3 months for a time deposit. So basically, yan yung term, 3.75% per annum, and then you need to name your time deposit, lalagyan nyo na pangalan. Tapos, ito yung mga instruction mangyayari once na mag-mature na yung time deposit nyo. So maturity instruction, pwedeng withdraw upon maturity, tapos sasabihin sa yung maturity date, and then yung savings account na nakalink sa inyong time deposit, which is my Maribank account. Tapos, ayan, meron siya, may topic deposit, you agree to the terms and condition. So, hindi ko na lang po muna siya gagawin kasi hindi po ako sure. But, we can try 100 pesos na lang po para lang makita natin, di ba? Sa 100 pesos, lagay natin test, mag-earn po siya ng 76 cents. Net of interest na po ito. So, kung papakita po natin, ayan, yung principal na 100 pesos times 3.75% sa loob ng 92 days, yan, mag-earn po siya ng kulang-kulang 1 peso po. And then withholding tax na 19 cents. Tapos yun, net interest of 0.76. So try na rin po natin para makita po natin. Sabi po yan, congratulations, upfront interest is already credited to your savings account. Pag-click po natin ng done, makikita na po natin siya dito, nakalagay view my deposit, meron akong active deposit. So, ito nga po yung details ng aking time deposit with Maribank. So, pag nag-mature na po o natapos na po yung days ng hold up ng inyong time deposit, meron pong couple of actions na pwedeng automatic na mangyari. Pwede po siyang automatic na ma-withdraw at malagay sa savings account nyo. or pwede rin po siya mag-auto rollover. Ang ibig sabihin po nito is that mag-open po siya ng panibagong time deposit account na panibagong contract baga na sa loob ulit ng 3 months. And then, magde-deposit po uli siya ng interest kaagad, upfront interest, sa inyong savings account. That's parang ina-advance po talaga ulit yung net interest na makukuha. So, if in case naman na nag-open ka ng time deposit, tapos, ay, sabi nyo,
parang ayoko na.
meron po kayong 48 hours, pwede nyo pong i-withdraw ang time deposit nyo. So, sabi po dito, if you terminate your active time deposit within 48 hours after placement or rollover, only the interest will be deducted from your initial time deposit. Meaning, yung binigay po sa inyong upfront na interest, yung pinauna po nilang interest, yun lang naman po ang ibabawas nila sa pera nyo na nilagay nyo sa time deposit. Thus, makuha nyo rin yung buong 100 pesos. Ito naman, if you terminate your active time deposit after 48 hours from the placement or rollover, the upfront interest received and other charges, example, documentary stamp tax, will be deducted from your initial deposit. So make sure po na pag ika-cancel nyo yung time deposit nyo, gawin nyo po yan within 24 hours kasi after 48 hours po, hindi lang po yung upfront interest ang mababawas sa inyo, pati yung mga charges po nila. Katulad po ng documentary stamp tax and other fees na later on pwedeng mag-surface. So yeah, basically yan lang po yung available na feature ng time deposit right now. Only 3 months lang po ngayon. But the interesting feature nga po dito, if you're really decided for a time deposit with Maribank, then ang magandang feature po nito is the upfront interest, wherein ibibigay na po sa inyo kagad yung interest ng inyong time deposit. However po, kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung attractive ba itong time deposit sa akin ni Maribank, medyo nakulangan po ako. Kasi yung mga time deposit offerings ng ibang banks, mga online and digital banks, the interests are far greater than what Maribank is offering. But kung sa tingin nyo naman na mas secure kayo with Maribank and much better na gawin ang time deposit nyo kay Maribank, go ahead, wala naman pong pumipigil sa inyo. Just make sure lang po na aware po kayo sa interest and net interest na makukuha nyo with your time deposit. So far for me, meron pa pong ibang banks that offer a greater return on your time deposit investment. For our question of the day, since yung interest ng time deposit is 0.5% interest greater lang sa existing nilang savings account, sa tingin nyo, mas okay ba mag-time deposit kayo na malalak ang pera nyo for an additional 0.5% interest? O you will stick na lang dito sa savings deposit ni Maribank na hindi nakalak yung pera nyo but you're just earning a 3.25%? Sa tingin nyo, yung 0.5% material ba yon for you to decide? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for our weekly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Teresa Panyo at Teresa Panyo 4208. At sabi po niya, "Hi Sir Pat, this is very helpful to me. Thank you so much po for sharing." Ayan, kay Miss Teresa Panyo, shoutout po sa inyo. And thank you so much din po na na-appreciate niyo po yung content na ginagawa ko. Maraming salamat po. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala naman problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!